Of what?
Remember those little 8-mil things?
I think you're talking about the clips right there. Voy a explotar ahí, amiguito. Para eso disappear ya.
Remember those little screws that you bought?
No, I don't remember, to be honest.
Right here.
What screws? What are you talking about? I bought 8 mil specifically.
There's a whole bunch of screws right here.
Why did I buy them for? Huh?
Wait, the car?
Kevin, this shit looks beautiful.
That shit looks legit.
Hell yeah.
Looks legit.
Tesla, right?
Shit's pretty big.
I didn't want to take it out of here, but I have to.
Wait there.
That's how it looks. Yeah. This is supposed to be for single zone and dual zone. So, I don't know. I seen a dude unbox. It's supposed to come with 2 of these wires. One for single, one for dual. So I'm gonna hit him up and make sure if I could just use this. This should come off like that. Boom. Boom. Oh shit. Fuck this thing like this. Get that out. Coño, shit's on there. Coño. Take the box on me. So that we sign in to get them.
You don't need to shoot, do you?
Yeah, for the GPS. Oh. Yep. It's like, no, it's not that.
Like this?
Nope.
You mean no?
Oh, it's something we have to modify.
What is the cuss on?
Yeah. We have to mod it. Look. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to focus on that shit. Okay. Oh, let me manual focus it. Okay, where's it at? Okay. The white clip doesn't want to go with that. Look at that. You have to make a hole right there. I've seen people do it. God damn it. So let's say you don't have to mod it. These shits were over here originally. And you can take off these and put them on the side of it.
I zip tied it.
So it goes like this. So I came, and you can put it right here. Everybody in the internet was saying, oh, you have to drill holes over here so you can make it fit. But I was looking at it like, how the hell am I going to pay almost $400 and this shit doesn't line up? So you can line it up here or over there.
Let's. I said it's not gonna let you.
Nigga stopped real quick. Yo.
Instructions, nigga.
It's because it needs a while to, load up everything the first time. Wow. Did I point at him? Nothing. Wired, almost done. Ugh. Shit. Okay, so that's how it looks. I didn't take off the plastic yet because, I'm gonna get the other one first before I take it off. We finished installing it yesterday, but I didn't forget to show you guys how it looks because the sun was going down. So, the AC works for me. People were saying they had a problem. But there's one thing that's kind of annoying. I don't know if we installed it wrong or some shit. I don't know, but if I stay quiet, you'll hear that ticking coming from the hood. It's coming from like a relay. Hear it. Yeah, you hear that shit's annoying. It only does it when the AC is off. I don't know why, so whatever. There it is, and also it has like let me see. No. Anyways, this is how it looks. Boom, that's how it comes stock. I'm gonna be changing all that shit. I'll show you when I change it. I put the things to work with this shit. Volume down, volume up. This is next song, previous, and this is to pause that I put it for. So hold up. You could change the color of these to whatever color you want. But you can't change the color of this. These are red as well. So, just so you can know. Alright. So, let me see. Turn that shit off. Is pretty fucking smooth. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that shit. Boom. Okay, let's go to the settings real quick. Got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You could change anything. Obviously, it's a freaking Android. Change whatever the hell you want. The launcher, make it look like a fucking iPhone or an iPad if you want. Let me see what kind of features I got. The steering wheel right here. Steering wheel keys. Boom. It has a amplifier freaking thing right here, so you can tune whatever you want. For the subs right there as well. Boom. I'm gonna fuck with this later. Go back. Got Navi. You got everything you need, my dude. See right here, you can change the color, but it only changes the color of this, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. You can put a front-facing camera, all that shit, the dash cam shit, everything. You can see the voltage over here of the battery if you display it. It's good. It's great. I had something similar down here, as you can see. I got a hole now. Something similar, but I wanted this whole screen shit up here because I'm gonna get the 360 view camera, the bird's eye view on it. So I forgot to show as well the AC. People were complaining that this doesn't work with the AC or whatever, some bullshit. It's because the people that buy these, they buy the cheap version, like the ones that are like $100. I'm guessing these are the people that actually made it first, Xtron. But yeah, everything works like AC. Boom. Line freaking high, low, you go down, boom, high. You can change the mode. Oop, to the head. Fucking defroster. My feet. Feet only. Both feet and the face. And look at that. This for the back. Boom. Take it off. Everything works good. You put this to put it high. Heat up, the heat, feel me, fam? Kind of laggy with that, but who cares? As long as it works. Boom. That shit down. Put a little bit lower so you can hear. Okay. Little ski. There you go. You can put music, Navi. Look at that. Boom. Google Maps. I got no Wi-Fi, so without Wi-Fi, you can't use Google Maps unless you download the maps, which I don't got internet right now. After I fuck with everything, I'm gonna show you guys, because it doesn't look completely different. It doesn't look like just an Android phone. This kind of looks a little bit tacky. Not oh my god tacky, but you know, it looks whatever. It's kind of doodle. So I'll show you when I'm done. So I never showed you guys how I set it up for my shit. After I said that I was gonna show you how I put everything for myself, the launcher and shit. Show you how it looks. Jesus, let me put the AC on. It's kinda caliente up in this bitch. You feel me, son? Oh shit, it's too hot, Put it up there. Okay, so I use the launcher called, I think it's called Square Home. If you guys want to download it, pretty wave. You can put your pictures here. I just downloaded random pictures just so I can show you guys. It just flips around like that. You got your contacts right there. Got your apps. Cool little feature I found out about this unit. If you go to the Bluetooth thing, I don't know if the other ones have it, but this one, when you connect your phone, you know what? Let me connect my phone. Oh, matter of fact, one thing that's annoying about this fucking radio shit is that every fucking time that, well, not every time, sometimes I have to reconnect this shit like 3 times, the Bluetooth. 3 times. It could be just my shit, but I doubt it. But like it says, a cord right here, boom, it's connected. Alright? It's connected. It says it's connected. You go to this so you can play your music. Put whatever song you want. Okay, now it connected, but usually when I'm fucking like trying to leave quick and put music, I will have to connect. It will disconnect like 3 times or twice, and then have to reconnect it. It's not a big deal, but just saying, that's just for me. But as soon as you play it, playing the music, you can hit the home button, you can go anywhere else. I put the steering wheel things to work with it. Look it, this shit works. Mute. Previous, so we started. Next. Hey, you know the jams? Yeah, so not bad. If you want to pause it through here too, you can pause it there. Boom. What else can I say about this shit? You can use any launcher, obviously, because it's fucking Android. I use this, the GPS shit, without, I downloaded like the map around here, so you could use the GPS without Wi-Fi. Bluetooth works, well, besides that, you know, little thing that I told you guys about. I will get this instead of the $150 ones that you see on eBay, because this one's pretty smooth. I mean, it's not the smoothest shit ever, but for a car, stereo, whatever the fuck unit, this will do the job, and it doesn't freeze up on me or anything. Well, that's the review for this. I give it like a 9 out of 10. It could be a little bit more smoother, but hey, I only paid $3 something for it, which is still expensive. But yeah, there's radios that cost more than that, or units that cost more than that. Well, there you go.